Join me in Hero's Pose. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, set your intention for today's practice, centering yourself in God's love. And repeat silently to yourself, I take delight in the Lord, and He will give me the desires of my heart. On your next inhale, lift your arms high above your head, opening your chest and bringing your fingertips down to the earth. Continue this gentle flow at your own pace, feeling your chest opening, your heart reaching toward God. And as you inhale deeply and as you exhale fully, repeat your intention with gratitude and love for this moment. Repeat it quietly or out loud to yourself, and continue at your own pace. Bring the hands in prayer pose, pausing a moment, feeling the gratitude as you gently move into tabletop. Taking some cat-cows, arching your back, lifting your spine, opening your heart. Feel God's presence with every breath and movement. Bring the spine to neutral and bring your right knee and leg into pigeon pose. As you gently fold forward, surrendering to the earth, bring in God's love, releasing any tension, and trust in His guidance. Relax into the pose. Gently begin to release the pose. coming through tabletop and preparing for the other side, making any micro movements before you go on to the left side. Maybe some cat-cows, whatever feels intuitively comfortable for your body right now. Bring your left knee into pigeon pose, opening your heart, breathing deeply as you bow down to the earth. Feel God's grace flowing into every fiber of your being. Surrender into His grace and relax into the pose. Gently release pigeon pose on the left side, coming through tabletop. Make any micro movements that feel good. And as you stretch your arms out into puppy stretch, puppy pose, let your heart melt down toward the earth, surrendering all your worries to God's care. Gently release the puppy pose, coming through tabletop. Step your right foot in between both hands, coming into a lunge. And then open your right arm high up to the sky into this twist. And take the right arm down, around, and up, making these large circles. Inhaling deeply and exhaling deeply. As you feel the rotation opening your chest and your spirit. Release both hands down, come through tabletop. Make any micro movements. Step your left foot between both hands into a lunge. Open the left arm high up to the sky, twisting open, and then take that big circle with the left arm. Bring your arm down, around, and back up. Each movement is like a prayer of alignment and surrender. Gently release, bring both hands down to the ground, coming through tabletop. And gently and mindfully moving into child's pose. Feel the verse resonate into your heart, taking a moment to receive God's peace and the desires He has placed within you. Breathe deeply and know you are held and guided. Gently release your child's pose, coming to an upright, straight spine. Bringing the hands in prayer pose, and carry this verse in your heart today. I take delight in the Lord, and He will give me the desires of my heart. Wishing you a blessed day.